What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bankster Boy. Check it out. I bought the all-new 2024 Grand Highlander, the Toyota Grand Highlander. Really sexy. I got the limited edition. Check it out, guys. Here, I think I'm like the first guy in the state to buy this, or at least the one. They told me at least the first one in the city. So plenty of space. This is the cockpit. Check it out. Very spacious. It's got the built-in navigation. You got your settings here. Heating, cooling seats. A whole bunch of adapters everywhere. It's got the cell phone charger right here. USB right there for your iPhone. The typical Highlander console right here. Pretty snazzy. Sport, rock, dirt. You know, the usual Highlander settings right here. Here, let me take a look real quick. Check this out. All digital. Sweet. Let's press sport mode. Goes into sport mode. Eco. I mean, this thing is phenomenal. It's got the folded mirrors. Check it out. And check this out. It's got the I think it's called what? The illumination or the illuminated. Here, let's see. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty sweet. Comes right from the mirror. All right, so a lot bigger than the Highlander, as you know. This is the Grand Highlander. You can fit a car seat in here. Pretty spacious in the back, that's for sure. Pretty good space for legroom. It's got your little console here, cooling, heating of the seats, USBs, a whole bunch of cup holders. JBL sound system. So definitely the sound system is pretty bumping. Here, let's open this bad boy. Yeah, plenty of trunk space. It's like really close to my Yukon, trunk space wise, in a way. These all fold down. Again, JBL sound system. You could lock it, so it'll go down and it'll lock the car. This is the side view. Looks pretty mean. I think so, for a family SUV. Down. Check it out. Doesn't have a sunroof, but it is what it is. I got a good deal on it. Paid below MSRP, that's for sure. So that's always good. Yeah, I like it. I think miles per gallon, it's getting combined about 27 to 30. The EPA hasn't released it yet, they said, but yeah, check it out. Who knows? I might be the first guy on YouTube right now to post the video, like an actual owner. But yeah, there you go, the 2024 Highlander. It's got like a RAV4 frontage. But yeah, in person though, it is really sexy. So hope you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll try to post more videos. It's got the radar right there. It's pretty sweet. Yeah. All right, guys, hope you liked it. Thanks.